Financial terms in plain. Cash flow. Cash flow is the amount of money coming in and out of your business. It's important to track your cash flow to ensure you have enough money to pay your bills and stay afloat. Profit margin. Profit margin is the amount of money you make from each sale after subtracting all expenses. It's important to track your profit margin to ensure you're making a profit and not just breaking even. Return on investment (WAR). Debt to income ratio. Debt to income ratio is the amount of debt you have compared to the amount of income you make. It's important to track your debt to income ratio to make sure you're not taking on too much debt. WAR measures the amount of money you make from an investment compared to the amount of money you put in. It's important to track your WAR to make sure you're getting a good return on your investments. Earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, an often used alternative to net income. It removes costs related to structuring businesses. EBITDA is calculated by adding interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization expenses to net income. Cost of goods sold (COGS). COGS is the cost of producing a product or service. It's important to track your COGS to make sure you're not spending too much money on production. Revenue. Revenue is the total amount of money your business brings in. It's important to track your revenue to make sure your business is growing and you're making a profit. Expenses. Expenses are the total amount of money you spend on running your business. It's important to track your expenses to make sure you're not overspending. Break-even point. Break-even point is the point at which your business is making neither a profit nor a loss. It's important to track your break-even point to ensure you're not losing money. Liquidity ratio. Liquidity ratio is the amount of cash you have compared to your liabilities. It's important to track your liquidity ratio to make sure you have enough cash to cover your bills. Net worth. Net worth is the total value of your assets minus your liabilities. It's important to track your net worth to make sure you're building wealth.